Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. Have you ever wondered what the symbols on your AC remote actually mean? Let's go through the most common ones. The snowflake icon stands for cool mode. This setting cools the room to your selected temperature and is the mode you'll use most often during hot summer days. The sun symbol represents heat mode. Instead of cooling, your air conditioner warms the room, making it useful during colder weather. Keep in mind that only AC units with a heating function will have this mode. The water drop icon is dry mode. Rather than lowering the temperature quickly, it removes excess moisture from the air. This mode works best when the weather is warm and humid, helping the room feel more comfortable. The auto symbol lets the air conditioner choose the best operating mode automatically. Depending on the room temperature and your selected setting, it can switch between cooling or heating without you changing anything. If the weather stays consistently hot or cold, many people prefer selecting cool or heat mode manually. Those are the 4 most common symbols you'll find on almost every air conditioner remote. Now you'll know exactly which one to use the next time you pick up your remote. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more 1-minute tech tips.